Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. So if you're new to this channel, basically I get watches, buy them, sell them, and sometimes I do sponsored videos as well. But mainly in the past couple of weeks, I've been trying to get the best selection possible for watches under 150 euros. So I've been using the Amazon Prime feature with this try before you buy, and this is the one that we got today, the FS5797 from Fossil. The packaging looks quite good. Go get them. So let's see. We have Fossil booklet, and here we go. So we can put this, close it, put it to the side. Just open, put all the accessories from it. And here we have this fossil. So basically, in the past videos, you might have noticed I've been opening or unboxing DLC PVD watches, because I got this PVD Citizen and I wanted to acquire some watches to compare them together. I have to cut this strap again. Anyway, so that's why I got this watch to do a comparison video, which will come in the later weeks, so be sure to check it out. And I chose this Fossil because it had a pretty interesting integrated bracelet look. Looks like the Zenith Defy. So we have a stamped clasp, so we have a hollow link, so not folded, a little bit better. And we have here the price and the reference number. We'll also leave it in the description, as well as the link for the watch. So as we can see here, we have the hands. They move quite good. We have 3 dials. The 12 o'clock is the day-night indicator. The seconds is the running seconds, and the 6 o'clock is the chronograph seconds with 30 minutes indicator. So basically this is a 30 minutes chronograph. So is also the other chronographs that I acquired in the past months, or got in the past couple of weeks through this program, so I can compare them all together. And if you're making your decision, then my videos could be of help before you buy the watch. You could watch a couple of videos from me and other people, and then you can formulate your opinion on the watch. So let's see, it looks quite good. It wears quite big. Let's check the dimensions of the watch. So basically 40, something is wrong, definitely 0, 43.75, so I would say 44 lug to lug, because the lugs are bright. So it's 52.3, that's big boy, and 11 millimeters thickness. So it's a big boy's watch. So I have a 17 centimeter wrist, and as you can see, this Citizen is quite large, but wears quite good because of the lugs, the shape of the lugs, and this strap also hugs your wrist. So let's see on my 17.1 centimeter wrist how this will look like. Let me pause and get this tape off. And now we can see the Citizen on the bracelet. It definitely needs a bigger wrist than mine. So as you can see, it fills and fills my whole wrist. It actually curves because of the design of the bracelet. It has a male link, so it actually curves outward, but on the bone it fits quite nice. Before the bone it's a bit larger than my wrist. But anyways, basically dial looks nice. Tapestry dial, no haptic feedback in the chronograph. Very rudimentary case back, 5 Atmos, and a quartz movement. So anyways, I hope I helped you guys with your Ah, the date window is black like the... That's quite good also. Let's see if there is loom on the watch. Ah, there is actually some loom on the indices and hands, but nothing can beat the loom of this one. Just like a Flieger loom. You can see with the same emission. Anyways, we'll compare these watches in another video to give an argument why is Citizen the best watch under 150 euros to buy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everyone.